Welcome to Spotlight for Success by American Book Company. I am Devin Pentosi, your host. We are here in New Orleans at LACUE 2025, and we are so excited to be here with our special guest, Jacqueline Edwards.
Well, thank you. I'm glad to be here.
Yes, Jacqueline joins us from East Baton Rouge Parish, and she's at the Career and Technical Education Center.
Yes.
Can you tell me a bit about your work there at the Career Tech Ed?
Well, I'm a computer science instructor. I teach programming languages like C++, Python, Java, JavaScript. Students in my course are dual enrolled with our community college, which is Baton Rouge Community College, and they are working towards an applied associates in software development. And so when they graduate, they'll leave with 2 certifications, one in Python, one in JavaScript, and they will also have 27 credit hours towards that associate's degree at BRCC.
Wow, that is incredible. They're really set for the jobs of the future.
Yes.
What classes do you teach in particular?
In particular, I teach Intro to Programming, where students get an introduction to C++, Python, and Java. And also I teach Software Development 1, Software Design 2. Students also have Ethics in Computing, Microsoft Applications, Intro to Database Design, and then Emerging Technologies, where we have robotics in that class.
That is so nice.
Yeah.
Jacqueline, that's great. Can you tell me a bit about what brought you in to start working in the career tech ed space?
Well, I've been in the career tech ed space for a long time. I started off as a tech support specialist, and then I moved on into database administrator. I've also done data analysis work. I've worked for the Department of Education as a data analyst. I worked for Cox Communication as data analyst. So I have a background in the technical industry side, and then also I've taught at several colleges, and then I wanted to move into bring my expertise to students who are in the computer science area.
Oh, wow. That's a lot of mission there.
Thank you for watching Spotlight for Success. I am Devin Pentosi, Chief Operating Officer of American Book Company. We are located here in our headquarters in Woodstock, Georgia. All of our materials are printed in USA. We have course books, ebooks, and online testing in grades K through 12, in mathematics, ELA, science, and social studies. These materials are all designed to help students achieve higher scores on their state-specific high-stakes assessments. We guarantee score improvement. You can get free samples of our materials either in print or in electronic formats at abck12.com. We look forward to hearing from you.
That you're doing. Can you tell me what brings you to LACUE?
Oh, LACUE. Well, I'm a computer using educator, and This is a conference for us. They have so many, professional development workshops. I learn so much every time I come. And I actually am going to take what I learned and take it back to my coworkers and do a PD for them. So I'm going to take my information and share it with others. And then also I can apply it in my classroom, and my students will, benefit from all this continual learning that I'm doing.
Oh, that's wonderful. And speaking of that continual learning, what do you think is the big interest or the big strand that you're hoping to get more information on here at the conference?
Well, of course, it's AI. Everybody's interested in AI. We're thinking about the future and the students' cognitive ability and how that's going to be affected. So I was just trying to make my life easier as a teacher, get some information on how I can create my lesson plans more efficiently. And then also I wanted to see how I can integrate AI and then, teach for the students so I can increase my teaching ability so that I can teach them in a different way or at a higher level of thinking. And try to, maybe I can, have a higher level teacher teach me and I can pass that on to the students. So I'm just interested in seeing what others are doing with AI. And a lot of the conferences, a lot of the workshops that I have gone through here at LACUE have, given me some inspiration, some ideas. And so I'm going to pass those on to my coworkers and also to my students in my classroom.
Oh, that is wonderful. Do you have any takeaways that you're like, I'd like to share this with the LACUE community?
Oh, takeaways. Continual learning. Never stop learning. Technology changes. Technology is the future. Education. We inspire. We create. We promote. We produce. All of the fields have been impacted in some way by technology, and as a computer educator, it's a very important role, and I take that role very seriously, and I also am excited about the future of computers and technology, especially in education.
Oh, yes, absolutely. Well, that's wonderful. Again, this is Jacqueline Edwards. She joins us as an educational career tech educator and director of many activities there in East Baton Rouge. Thank you for joining us so much today.
Thank you.